Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Infinix Hot 40i and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode. So all we have to do is to actually open the settings, because unfortunately we do not have any kind of timer highlighted in this option bar. So let's tap on the settings, which are in the left upper corner. And now let's localize the timer, which is here. So let's tap on it. There we've got 4 different options, so the off, 5, 3 and 10 seconds delay. So let me choose, for example, 10 seconds delay, just tap on it, and as you can see it will be immediately applied. We can go back to the camera. Unfortunately the timer is not notified anywhere here, but that's okay. Let's simply tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10, 5 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Okay. Let me turn it off, so we have to open the settings, tap on the timer and simply tap on off. And from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.